Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to show you exactly what is the security patch update and what is the Android OS update which came out of the box in the Xiaomi Pad device. As you can see, even just now I did finish my setup process in the Xiaomi Pad 5. And right now I did not install any other application at this moment. So first let me show you exactly what is a Android OS version. So which is of Android 11 and which is based on the MIUI 13 exactly, as you can see friends clearly. And the security patch update which came pre-installed with this device is and security patch is of exactly February month security patch update which has been come pre-installed in this device exactly, as you can see friends in this Xiaomi Pad 5 device. So all friends, MIUI 13, Android 11 and security patch update is of February month security patch update. That's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below, and meanwhile signing off until then, bye.